Hi there, it is currently 7:15 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday, April 20th, and here's our graph so far for today. First things first, I do gotta talk to you guys. I've been getting a lot of comments about me not being able to tell time. Please trust that I know what time is represented on the graph that I talk about 2 times a day. This is a Russian graph. This does indicate the time, but because I am in a time or an Eastern time zone, it is almost going to be opposite. Like I said, a Russian graph, not US based at all. This is a graph of the entire world. This graph is based out of Russia. So for me in Michigan, in my Eastern time zone, yes, this 11 right here is going to indicate midnight on the 20th. Okay, moving on from that. Later evening, we got a couple of spikes of energy. I was reading my book, I was getting sleepy, and then we got those, and I was like, maybe I'll watch a movie. Nothing like super stimulating, just a little more energy than I could go to bed with. This still hitting our solar line, guys. We are getting a defined upgrade. Look how organized this has consistently stayed in the same area, which is upgrading our cores, our souls, and our solar plexus. Okay, moving on. I woke up right when this spike of energy came in at 4 a.m. Another one came in just after at 5 a.m. This one woke me up. I got up and I was like, let me check the Schumann, and sure as shit, it was right when this came in. But when I checked it, this definitely caught my eye. I said, oh, is that a sneaky little timeline jump? No, but it could be indicating that one is coming up. We do have like a little break in the graph, but this did not break here. And you can see pretty clearly that up in this space, we do still have blue in the background. There is not a consistent split. There is not a consistent black line on this graph. So no, that is not a timeline jump, but it is a defined break in the current energy that was consistently coming in along our third eye, our throat, and even our heart and heart space. The solar didn't waver. The solar didn't break. That's why I'm saying this is consistent. This knows who it is. It is giving us that confidence too, I'm pretty sure, guys. Cool stuff. These little surges of energy that we got, you can see in there, the white energy is going to be new stuff. Not a ton of it, but there is some in there. I'm not surprised that this one woke me up because this one has the biggest line of white energy in there, hitting our crown, third eye, and throat line, and then moving into integration from there down. These ones mostly just had that little tinier spot, so they didn't charge me up as much. Does that make sense to you guys? Do you feel the same way? If not, it's cool. Just letting you know how it made me feel. Otherwise, not much to talk about. I will be back on this evening, as always, to update you on any changes on the graph.